let's explore with glee. 8 planets dance around the sun, just wait and see. Mercury, speedy, a tiny rocky sphere, closest to the sun, but no air to cheer. Venus glows bright, wrapped in clouds of gold, the hottest of all, or so we're told. Earth, our home, with oceans blue and green, a living world, the brightest you've seen. Mars, the red planet, with rusty, dusty ground, rovers drive there, clues of life are found. Jupiter's giant, with storms that swirl and spin, a gas giant's grin, let the fun begin. Saturn wears rings made of ice and stone, moons sing lullabies in a cosmic tone. Neptune, so far, with winds wild and free, a blue icy giant deep